Most people study hard, but they don't study smart. Today I'm showing you 5 study tricks that feel like cheating, but actually work like magic. These tricks are backed by science and used by top students around the world. Let's start. 1. Mind map memory. Instead of taking normal notes, make a mind map. Start with the main topic in the center and draw branches for related ideas. Add colors, small symbols, or doodles. Your brain loves visuals. It remembers connections better than plain words. This makes boring topics easier to recall during exams. 2. Visualize to memorize. Before you try to memorize anything, close your eyes and visualize it. If you're studying history, imagine the scene. If it's science, picture the process step by step. Visualization activates the brain's creative side, making dry facts stick longer. It's like turning study into a movie in your mind. 3. Task switching reset. Feeling tired after 20 to 30 minutes of study? Don't scroll your phone. Instead, switch to a different subject or task. This keeps your brain alert and resets your mental focus. Later, come back to the first topic with fresh eyes. It's like cleaning your mental desk without losing momentum. 4. Whisper reading. Reading in your head equals passive. Reading loud equals tiring. But whisper reading. When you whisper, your brain uses multiple senses: eyes, mouth, and ears. This makes it easier to understand and remember what you study. 5. Study before sleep. Whatever you read right before sleeping, your brain processes it while you sleep. So, pick the hardest topic or most important one and revise it before bed. No scrolling, no phone, just 10 quiet minutes. You'll remember way more in the morning. Try any 2 of these tricks today and thank yourself later. And if this helped you, hit that subscribe button so you never miss smart study hacks like this. And drop a comment. What's your biggest study struggle right now?